After launching the application, the student will be able to verify his identity using his Windows Live ID username and password. After a successful login, the student will be able to browse different services provided by our application, like virtual sticky notes, mobile book, and loan. Typically, a student would like to take notes or transcripts after a lecture. The student would like to would write his notes on the margin of his textbook. Our application provides an innovative way to transcribe these notes. Simply, the student can add a new note by recording it using his voice. Cairo is the capital of Egypt and it is the largest city in Africa. Windows Azure Cloud Speech-to-Text service will transfer this voice into the text displayed on this phone. Now the student can save this note and associate it to this page. He takes a picture, then the note will be saved and attached to this page. Later the student may want to review the notes he took before. He simply can browse through his textbook, choose to review notes, and take a picture of the page he wants to see the notes attached to it. Our mobile book service provided in our application is smart enough to recognize static content found in the textbook and transfer it into a more interactive version. Notice how we can convert this map into a Bing map which is more interactive. The student can take a picture of this map. Otherwise, our application can display an educational video associated with this picture. A teacher may want to test the comprehension of the student to the subject he gave the lecture about. He wants to give them an exercise, so they ask him to take a picture of the exercise in the textbook. An electronic version of the exercise will be displayed on the screen of the mobile phone. Notice that the questions will be shuffled and the answers also will be shuffled to prevent cheating attempts between students. Now the student can answer this question simply, then submit the answer. The answers will be automatically evaluated in the cloud and the score reports will be transferred to the teacher. What we learn with pleasure we never forget. That's why we provided a social networking form called Launch. The student can post comments and share announcements about the class.